Hello, thank you for tuning in. Let's jump right into this tutorial video. This video is by Guerisseuse Facial Steam, and these facial steamers are perfect for hydration and skin detox, along with aromatherapy. If you ever have an anxiety, this is a beautiful way to calm your nerves. I like to put it in a cup. You can put it in a bowl as well, and you fill it with boiling hot water. Then you get a towel and you put it over your face. This is a perfect time to let go of any emotions, to allow your mind to come at peace. This is where you take yourself to that spa day, and a perfect time also to do some affirmations. For me, I like to say things like, everywhere I go, I prosper. My skin is getting clearer and clearer every day. Every time I take care of myself, I fill myself up with love. Little and small things like this go a long way for me, but definitely add in your own affirmations because this is all about you as well. And ultimately, when I finish steaming, which is takes from about 7 to 10 minutes, I like to reuse it because I do have a small cup. I like to put more hot water in it and allow my face to steam some more. Well, I hope you guys have a gist and introduction to what facial steaming is. And if you want me to go more in detail, please leave a comment below and let me know how you take care of your skin and how you detox your skin. Until then, take care.